integration. Integration is used to find area between graph of a curve and x-axis. It is the process of cutting of an area into small section and then adding of area for total area. Area between graph of a curve x-axis. The whole point is you have a graph and what you do is you find area. This is my graph. This x-axis is time axis. This y-axis is a distance axis, and this is my graph. The curve is like this: y equal to fx. At beginning is a, and this is f of a, and the final limit is b, and it is f of b. I want to find the area of this. I now want to find this area, area between the curve and x-axis. This is the graph and this is the x-axis. I want to find in between the area in between them. What can I do? The process of integration. I will do the process of integration. Just cut the area into small section. Then it cut all in small area. Then it add up this area. You see, integration and differentiation are totally different. In differentiation you find slope. In the integration you find area between a curve and x-axis. You cut area into small section, then you add them. The integration is all about adding. To find differentiation, you divide y by x. We write just dy by dx or delta y by delta x. In case of distance, we write ds by dt to find the speed. That is represent differentiation. But in integration, it is nothing but multiply delta y into delta x or f of x into dx. Then we add them up. Just put a summation marks. Then we find integration. When we try to cut this big area into small sections, small area, then this horizontal section will be delta x. This is the delta x, and the vertical are delta y. These are delta y. According to the area formula for rectangular, the area is delta y into delta x. That's why we write delta y into delta x. Okay, that is the way we get area. In differentiation and integration, both deals with curve. In differentiation and integration, both deals with curve which has x and y. In case of differentiation, we find delta y by delta x, this is delta y by delta x, but in case of integration we say delta y into delta x and add them up into small area, we get combined area. Okay, we get a combined area or total area. That is all about differentiation and integration. Thank you.